Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix bad sectors on Windows 11 using simple built-in tools. First, we will use the CHKDSK utility. This is the most effective method. Go to the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important because the command needs full system access. In the command window, type the following command: CHKDSK C/F/R/X, replace C with the letter of the drive you want to scan. Then press Enter. Next, you can also use the graphical method in File Explorer. Open this PC from your desktop or File Explorer. Find the drive you want to check. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click on Check. Then, click Scan Drive. Windows will scan for errors and attempt to fix bad sectors. Using both methods ensures a more complete check. If bad sectors keep appearing, it may be a sign that your hard drive is failing and you should consider backing up your data and replacing the drive. Thanks for watching.